So guys, today we'll be talking about the core components of SOC. We have the people, we have the process, and we have the technology. All right. So moving to the people, guys, under the people we have the SOC analyst. All right. Now, SOC analyst is responsible for monitoring, detecting, investigating, and analyzing security alerts to identify potential threats and security incidents. All right. Now, why the security engineers are responsible for building, configuring, maintaining, and improving the security infrastructure and tools that SOC analysts and incident responders rely on. All right. Why the incident responders are responsible for handling confirmed security incidents by containing the threat, eradicating the attacker or malware, and helping restore affected systems. So now, in the simplest way, an analyst detects and investigate, while the engineers build and maintain the security infrastructure, and then the incident responders contain and recover from confirmed attack. All right. So one important distinction about these SOC roles is that SOC roles can overlap depending on the organization. All right. In a smaller SOC, or rather in a smaller organization, one person can actually perform the responsibility of these three persons. All right. If it is a bigger organizations, different people can actually do it. So that is it. Now let's move to the next core component, which is the process. Now under the process, have the playbooks, have the policies, and we have the SOPs, which is the standard operating procedures. All right. Now the playbook is a scenario-based guide that tells the SOC team what steps to take when responding to a specific type of security incident. All right. Now, why the policies is a high-level rule that defines what is allowed, required, or prohibited within the organization. And now the SOPs, which is the standard operating procedures, is a step-by-step instructions, all right, for performing routine tasks in a consistent and repeatable way. All right. Now, you need to understand something which is also very, very essential. If you are aiming to become a SOC analyst, you need to understand that documentation is very, very essential. And now the three types of documentation are the playbooks, the policies, and the standard operating procedures or the SOP. It is very, very important. And then we move to the next component, which is the technology based. So under the technology based, we have the SIEM, which stands for Security Information and Event Management. Now, this particular tool collects and analyze security logs and events from different systems in one central location to help analyze, detect, and investigate threats. And now we have the SOAR, which is Security Orchestration, Automation, and Response. Now, this particular tool helps security teams automate repetitive tasks and coordinate responses to security incidents. And now we have the EDR, which is Endpoint Detection and Response. Now, this particular tool monitors endpoints such as computers and servers to detect suspicious activity and investigate potential threats. All right. So let's move to the next slide. And still under the technology, we have the XDR. So This an extended detection and response. All right. Now, this particular tool combines security data from multiple areas such as endpoint, networks, email, and cloud environment to provide broader threat detection and investigation. All right. And we have the IDS, which is intrusion detection system. All right. Sorry. Now, this particular intrusion detection system monitors network or system activity and alerts security teams when it detects suspicious or malicious behavior. All right. And then the last one we have IPS, which is the intrusion prevention system. All right. That particular one detects malicious activity and can automatically block or prevent the threat from reaching its target. Now, one thing you have to understand is that these technologies work together to help a SOC, or rather a SOC analyst, monitor, detect, investigate, and respond to cyber threats. SIEM provides centralized visibility. EDR protects endpoints. XDR provides broader visibility across different environments. IDS detects suspicious activity. IPS can prevent attacks, and SOA can help automate and coordinate the response. All right. This is actually the end of this class. All right. So in our next class, we'll be looking at the SOC team structure. All right. So see you in the next class.